In this video, I'm going to show you how to import and export in Google Sheets. So if you have a file on your computer, whether it's an Excel file or a CSV file, and you want to open it in Google Sheets, the first thing you want to do is come and click up into this first cell, A1 here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File, Import. I'm going to upload, select a file from your device. And then what I'm going to do is open this file here. So you have a few options. You can create a new spreadsheet, insert new sheet, replace spreadsheet, replace current sheet. What I'm going to do is replace data at selected cell. So since I clicked into cell A1, it's going to import the file right there at that location. So then I import data. And then you can see it just populated this sheet with the file that I had on my computer. Now, if you want to save a file in Google Sheets or export it, what you do is File, Download, and then you can download it as an Excel file, ODS, PDF, CSV. I'm just going to download this one as an Excel file. And then you hit save, and that is how you download a file from Google Sheets. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or content suggestions, just let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to answer everyone.